In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off automatic billing on Facebook. Whether you are running ads, managing subscriptions, or handling any type of recurring payment, there may come a time you want to stop Facebook from charging you automatically. To get started, launch Facebook, then navigate to the menu page. Now scroll down and head over to the option settings and privacy. Then click on the option privacy. Now here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down and head over to the option payments. Click on this option add payments. Once you're inside, tap on payment method to see your saved cards or PayPal accounts. If you want to stop automatic billing for Facebook ads, looking for ad billing and choose the option to switch off automatic payments. If you're canceling a subscription such as Facebook Premium or Marketplace subscription, select Manage Subscription. Tap on the subscription you want to stop and then choose Cancel Subscription. Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision, and once you do, automatic billing will be turned off. And that's it. You have successfully stopped Facebook from charging you automatically. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.